BEABA Babycook 4-in-1 steam cooker and blender and dishwasher safe, 4.5 cups, cloud. Babycook is designed to function only with a 120V earthed socket. Prepare fruits, vegetables, meat or fish from raw to any stage baby and toddler food in 15 minutes. A large 4.7 cup bowl with graduation markings. Auto shut off, timer sounds when done. Make any stage baby or toddler food from purees to solids. BPA, lead, and phthalate free. Cooking basket, mixing lid, spatula, and recipe booklet included. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.